The charger has a light on it that changes from red to green when the battery is fully charged. And the battery slides back in here and snap it. I know some people have indicated that it's hard to get the battery out, and it does take a little bit of effort, but if you pull on it like that, it comes out relatively easily. It's a nice drill. It's got a reverse on it, so it'll go forward or backwards, assuming you press that in correctly. It's got a little light on the front of it. And really, for many of the projects around the home, it's adequate. So that's a review of the compact drill.
All right, I'm just opening my little drill set here. This is awesome. It's pink. I got it just for girl power, but look at all the little things it comes with. Some screws. All right, some drill bits here, awesome. And then I love this tool. I was asking my husband what it was, but it looks like you put this in and it helps you get to those really tight places. So I got to plug it in, charge it up, and get ready to use it. Awesome.